Hi everyone, welcome to the 201 episode of Campus This Week. I am RJ Yash, BCom Department 6th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salation 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by ISDC, International Skill Development Corporation, and ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants UK. The headlines this week: Armed Forces Career Lecture motivates students. Geography students gain insights into statistical techniques and research methodology. BBA students explore Shillong and Guwahati. Relationship Reboot: expert shares insights on attachment theory. Yuva executive members attend leadership training session. Volleyball team falls short in quarterfinals, eyes April tournament for redemption. The news in detail. Siliguri: Armed Forces Career Lecture motivates students. NCC Cadet Bipin Rai reports.
On 28th February 2025, NCC hosted a special lecture on career opportunities in the armed forces. The session was graced by the chief guest, Major Anand Mohan Singh, and was attended by numerous NCC cadets, NSS volunteers, and other students eager to explore a future in the defense sector. After the invocation by Vice Principal, Deanery of Sciences, Father C.M. Paul, the chief guest was felicitated with a memento and khada. Major Anand Mohan Singh then delivered an insightful lecture shedding light on the life of an army officer and the challenges and rewards of serving the nation. His words greatly inspired the cadets and students, motivating them to pursue a career in the armed forces. The session became even more engaging with an interactive question and answer segment where students had the opportunity to clear their doubts and gain a deeper understanding of the selection process and life in the military. The event concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Associate NCC Officer Lieutenant Rishad Chetri, acknowledging the efforts of all involved. Finally, a group photo session captured the memorable occasion, marking the end of an inspiring and informative session.
Bipin Rai reports. Siliguri: Geography students gain insights into statistical techniques and research methodology. Karma Dolma Yalma, Geography Department 6th semester report.
On 18th and 19th February 2025, Department of Geography organized a 2-day research methodology workshop for 75 UG and 4 PG students. It commenced with a welcome note by Father Dr. Saju Puttaseri, Vice Principal of Arts and Humanities, followed by felicitation of the resource person. Dr. Srasha Chowdhury and Dr. Arjun Saha introduced the two resource persons. On the first day, Dr. Arindam Basak, Associate Professor and Head of the Department of Geography and Applied Geography, North Bengal University, spoke on various statistical techniques, including Carl Pearson's and Spearman's rank correlation, as well as correlation and regression analysis, highlighting how these methods help in data interpretation and spatial analysis in the field of geography. On the second day, Dr. Debarshi Ghosh, Assistant Professor and Head of the Department of Geography, Dhupguri Girls College, provided profound insights into the decision-making processes in academic research along with an in-depth introduction to key statistical concepts, followed by an enriching hands-on experience in data handling and statistical analysis. The workshop was then concluded with a vote of thanks by Ms. Dawadoma Bhutia, followed by closing remarks from Mrs. Srijana Sinha, the head of the Department of Geography.
Karma Dolma Yolma reporting. Siliguri: BBA students explore Shillong and Guwahati. Sahil Thapa, BBA Department 4th semester reports.
17 students and 2 faculty members of Salesian College Siliguri, BBA Tourism Department visited Shillong and Guwahati. They started their tour with the popular Don Bosco Museum in Maulai, Shillong, where students learn about anthropology and culture of Northeast India. Students then explored the Arva and Mausmai caves, which had beautiful rock formations. The view of Nokhalikai waterfalls, the tallest in India, was breathtaking. A walk on the Living Root Bridge, a natural wonder made from tree roots, was inspiring. Elephant Falls was another beautiful waterfall they enjoyed watching. On Bangladesh border at Dauki River, the water was so clear that they could see the riverbed as they enjoyed the boat ride. On their return from Shillong in Guwahati, The group visited the famous Kamakya temple and explored the local markets.
Sahil Thapa reporting. You are listening to Campus This Week on Radio Salesian from Salesian College, Autonomous Sonada, Darjeeling. Siliguri, Relationship Reboot. Expert shares insights on attachment theory. Sushmita Chauhan, Department of Psychology, 6th semester reports.
The Rainbow Association of Psychology Department, Salesian College Autonomous, Siliguri, had its second day of seminar on rebuilding relationship and attachment on 17 February 2025. Assistant Professor of Psychology, St. Xavier's University, Kolkata, Dr. Ritesh M. Kumar presented day-long session on rebuilding relationship sutras from attachment theory and its neuropsychological basis. The interactive session provided a thorough discussion on the topic of attachment and the different types of neural circuits, namely the autonomic circuit, circuit for empathy, and the circuit for positive delusion. Much effort was spent on discussing in a very fluid and vivid way as to how one can rebuild the relationship which might have been put to test under some stress. Dr. Ritesh impressed upon the audience that conflicts are an integral part of any relationship. Activities undertaken generated a huge participation and evoke response from all the participants.
Sushmita Chauhan reporting. Siliguri, Yuva executive members attend leadership training session. Vidhi Dudhani, Department of English, 4th semester reports.
Young Indians conducted a leadership training session for Yuva Executive Committee members on 17th February 2025. The event began with introduction of YI members Beric Mundra, Vinit Marodia, Prerit Mundra and Ruchukta Mundra along with Mrs. Sunita, faculty in charge. Chairs and co-chairs of various verticals, health, climate change, learning, road safety and accessibility then presented their campus initiatives. Proposals ranged from medical camps in slums and lake rejuvenation to eco-brick creation and accessibility awareness workshops. An interactive session followed, grouping EC members based on their traits like teamwork, patience and empathy. Each group developed structured action plans for their verticals. The health vertical planned workshops and medical camps in collaboration with Young India and NSS, while the learning vertical proposed a 2-day cultural summit featuring dance, music and skits. Similar strategies were set for other verticals. The session concluded with a vote of thanks by Jai Shivang Agarwal of BBA 4th semester.
Vidhi Dudhani reporting. Siliguri, volleyball team falls short in quarterfinals, eyes April tournament for redemption. Tensem Bhutia, BCom Department, 6th semester reports.
On February 17, 2025, the Inter-College Volleyball Tournament was held at Sukanta Mahavidyalaya featuring teams from various colleges under University of North Bengal. Salesian College volleyball team played 2 matches, winning the first against Mahanaguri College in thrilling 3-set matches. The point was 25-17, 22-25 and 16-9. However, they lost to Parimal Mitra Smriti Mahavidyalaya College Malbazar in quarter-finals, going down in 2 sets, 21-25, 23-25. Despite not advancing further, the team gained valuable experiences and is gearing up for the next tournament in April to be held at Sonada campus. The team is determined to prepare more efficiently and truly to make a strong comeback.
Tensem Bhutia reporting. That's all for now from all of us at Radio Salesian. This show was brought to you by ISDC, International Skill Development Corporation, and ACCA, Association of Chartered Certified Accountants UK. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.